Welcome to Giuseppe's Garage. We're going to do a walk around in the shop and show you what the projects we're doing. Come on. Here we have a 1967 Camaro, and we're doing a heater core and an upgrade transmission, and we're doing a rear engine seal. This is the engine. We had to take it out for the real engine seal. Here's the transmission. This is real good for drag racing. In about a week, this Camaro should be back on the road. Here's the 1972 Porsche 914. We're doing some body work to it. Over here we have a 1961 Willy's Jeep. It belonged to my grandfather, and we used to tow Beetles, Porsches, and other foreign cars. Over here we have a 1951 Chevy hardtop. We built it in an old school drag car. Check back often for updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time with Giuseppe's Garage.